Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create our first job on Jenkins on installed on AWS EC2 instance. In the previous video I showed you how to install Jenkins on AWS Linux EC2 instance. So in this video we're going to create our first job. So I'm going to log in. I already have my username and password saved, so I'm going to log in. So here we'll go click on new item, then I'll tag this one my first Jenkins job. I'm going to be selecting the freestyle project. Click OK. So in the description, I'll say this is my first Jenkins job. Jenkins job on AWS EC2. So under the build, I'll go click on add build step, click on execute shell. So I'll say echo. I want to echo this. So echo, this is my first Jenkins job on AWS EC2 minus instance. I'll go by adding the today's date and time. So it's going to be date plus $D, which is day, sign curly braces, plus T, which is time. I close the. So click apply and save. So we can run our first Jenkins job by clicking build now. So the build is successful. For us to view if the job is successful, it shows green success. You click here and click console output to see the output of the job you build. So click here. So it shows that the job was built successfully and it shows finished success. So this is what we echo. So this is my first Jenkins job on AWS EC2 instance, and it shows today's date and time which I built the job. So this ends the practice of how to build your first job on Jenkins installed on AWS EC2 instance.